In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can download images of Midjourney, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, the easy one, you just go to the server of Midjourney. You can generate the image you want, or you can see the image you like. Let's say I see this image and I like it. I can just right click on it and click on where it says save image and download this image. It's as easy as that. And the other way is a bit different. And before I show you that different method, hit that subscribe to our channel. Now let's move on. So for the different method, you want to go to this website called midjourney.com. Repeating again, midjourney.com. It is the official website of Midjourney. Once you're in the official website, click on sign in to log in into your Midjourney account. Once you log in into your account, you can see all the image you have generated. You can basically just hover your mouse on top of the image, click on the three dot on the image and click on save image to download the image you have generated. But let's say you want to download the image other people have generated. What you can do is just go and explore. Once you go and explore, all the image other people has generated is going to be shown over here, and you can just search for it and see which one you like. Let's say I like this one. What I can do is just hover my mouse on top of it, click on the three dot, click on save image and download the image other people has generated. So yeah, that's how you guys can download any image you want from Midjourney. It's that simple. So if you guys have found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. I will see you guys next time on How to Guide.